Here we go. It's nighttime. This is Bellagio in my front yard. Just installed this. It's the OASE. Here's the little keychain. Has a couple of buttons you press. Now check out what happens when I press the button. It's like the Bellagio in your front yard. I press the button again, it goes low. Press it again, goes off. Press it again, bam. Press it again. This thing has so many programs to it. Whoa! Check out that fountain at night. And then it kind of goes down, and then boom, boom, boom. So can't really see the rest of the front yard because the lights haven't come on yet. However, check that out. Different settings. Look how tall that thing is. It's about 5 feet tall. And then press it again. Boom. And they just a nice soft little touch with LED lights. It's just the perfect thing. And then when the party starts, we just have it going full blast. And then when I want just a small evolution of different patterns and features, it's there. It's just amazing. And if I want it to be smaller, I press another button and bam, it just takes on a whole different look. Put an autofill on this thing, so at night it's just rocking my world. A little bit of a side view there. That's what it looks like from the side. I changed it again. Bam. Just a really neat toy. Okay, enjoy. This is the OASE Quintet. Take care.